sit on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
Got Abby over here. She's making sure everybody knows what's up. Nice out. It was really a cold day. There's one of the lucky dogs. There she is, protecting everything out, making sure everybody is in the right place. We're gonna take. Did you get the birdies?
Go get them. So much for their lunch. Did you get her tasty?
This morning was really cold, like 38 degrees. It's about 70 now. And so it has really warmed up quite a bit. And this is aloe plant. Looks pretty good. We haven't really had a frost or nothing. The weather hasn't got cold enough that we've actually got ice. Although some of these warm weather plants, you can see them here. They're getting all browned up here. But these things die out every winter time. I think it's more because the length of day than it is. Now this is a palmetto bush or palmetto plant, member of the palms. But they stay green. But these here will die out because they're a summertime thing. They like it really hot and the length of day long enough that they can withstand the enough sunshine there. It's a little jasmine plant right here. That's pretty well. I planted all these as tiny, probably some 20 years ago. This is our palm tree. When I first moved to Florida 20 years ago, I just said I want to own a palm tree, so I planted this. It was real small and it's pretty good size now. They hold up in all the winds and stuff and do well here in the warm Florida sunshine. This year I started to make a garden at one point. These little berries. This gets a yellow flower on it in December, which has just passed. But the seeds are a little berry. All these are all elephant ears. They're really small, but there's a bunch of them around here. Here's a bigger one right here. They like a lot of water. I'll show you this here. They're kind of losing their stuff, but these are called beauty berries. Get another one over here. They've lost a lot of their leaves and stuff just because it's gotten colder out. That's called a beauty berry. All right, we're gonna take a walk over here to the orange tree and see what our oranges look like. Sue said to grab one for her. So let's go around here and some of the oranges. So that Spanish moss hanging on there. Let's see if we can find a real nice one. The orange tree isn't looking as good as it used to. We got some oranges on it. It's the best ones are up at the top. There's some real nice oranges up there. Now this is Spanish moss. I used to talk about that in some of my videos. Spanish moss was used, they call it the orange and Spanish moss. Used to use this as padding in furniture upholstery. Used to call it horsehair. It wasn't horsehair, it was Spanish moss. You don't want to just take it out and use it. This tree here, when the tree people took a tree down front, took it out, they thought maybe this was a mimosa tree. And then they decided maybe it isn't. So we haven't really ever figured out what kind of tree this is. But it was small when I first got here. See the back side of it here doesn't have any leaves because it's shaded by this other oak tree in the back. And I think they used to call this a mimosa tree. Some limbs had some wind the other day, a lot of winds down in it. Like this tree here is losing a lot of its leaves and stuff. It almost looks like the animals have a little cave in here. See the cats and stuff back in here. There's actually, we've been seeing raccoons and possums and all kinds of critters out front. This is a tree that came down during Hurricane Matthew. It's never got completely cleaned up. Got some interesting funguses growing out. It almost looks like stair steps going up the side of that dead tree. That was pretty cool. Things grow up so quick around here, you gotta keep after them all the time. We're looking for the neighbor supposedly has some chickens. Don't see any. They're never out when you would want to see them. Always need trimming. There again, I wanted to show you these beauty berries. They're right along our lemon tree. These are beauty berries. And then we got our lemons. We got quite a few lemons on it. This tree I thought had died for years. And last year I had a couple lemons on it, like 2 or 3. You can see how many I got on it this year, quite a few. Alright, now I'm trying to hold 2 lemons and walk at the same time. Sue's out here. I'll give her the lemons. This is that's what she got, was a lemon. Sue ended up with a lemon. She got me, that was the lemon she got. There you go.
What a beautiful lemon.
Got lemons.
And orange from our own citrus.
Alright, so Sue's got her lemons.
Lemon, with still got the leaves on it, fresh from the tree. And oranges fresh from the tree. They're both really good. I can't wait to go and try.
December is about time they come due. A couple of these cold spells will make them sweeter than that.
Can't much tell the difference between the color of them.
There's Miss Cassie, one of the lucky dogs. They're actually begging for.
They like oranges.
They like oranges.
Abby has been out before and gotten the oranges off the tree.
I can go out and get you another orange if you want another
Sure,
orange.
if you want to.
All right, we'll go pick up another orange. All right, we'll go out here and get another orange. We're gonna go out here and get Sue another orange. Why not? Have another orange just so we can say we do. Orange tree. Abby's sitting here waiting. Hey, Abby. Abby. Hey, Abby. Come here. Come here. You want an orange? Abby's, you like oranges? You don't want any more? Oh, okay. I got it. There's Sue. She's all back in.
Oranges ready to eat.
She's got her oranges ready to eat here.
Yeah.
She brought them in with a drink, and I might taste just a little bit, but there she goes.
Open one here.
She's gonna open an orange up.
This is from Tupperware. It's an orange opener.
That's an orange opener.
An orange open citrus.
It won't.
So you find the edge there. It's got a little hook on it. See the hook?
Yeah.
You hook that on the edge where it's next to the tree. Just rip it down. It's like a slicer. They used to give these away free at Tupperware. I think they charge you now.
Oh, what do you do? Make one, then you can peel it.
Yeah. And then you slice down the other
I
side.
can smell it.
You see the zest?
Yeah.
I just saw the zest.
Can everybody smell it?
Smells wonderful.
All right, get me a piece off real quick. I want to
here.
demonstrate a little trick.
Okay, hang on one more second here.
I'll just get it off. Grab one piece and peel it right off.
Okay.
I'll just peel it off.
Oh,
Get me a
okay.
piece.
Okay, more?
No, give me the piece.
Oh, you want this?
All right. Let me. Now you light the match. Light the match. You're no good at lighting matches. Get another one. Am
You're right. No, I'm
Am I going to have to do it?
Yeah, well, we'll try one more time. This is the best hand, actually.
On the end of it. There you go. Okay, so we got a lighter. Did you notice that? Did you see it?
I did.
Light another one. I'll show that again.
Whoa.
This is something a lot of people don't know. That if you take an orange peel and you squeeze it, you'll get a flame up. Light it
That's that you need another piece.
Light
of
it.
peel?
on the end of it. You're not getting me. These are old matches.
Yeah, I think that's.
There you go.
You need another piece of peel.
Got another one? Try another one. There you go. See it?
See it? I sparked it. Yeah.
So, a little lucky dog trick here. Maybe one more piece. Or
Right,
Sue could have
where's
done
my
it.
finger?
Yeah, I ran out of it. Some of them will do better than others, but little trick on Making a little flame with an orange. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you the next time.
There.
Hi, I just want to let you guys know we do have stickers available now. If you look in the description area below, you'll see a link where it links there to my PayPal site, and you can order. They're $5 each. So if you'd like some stickers, just click on the link down below.